All right, now we often encounter some word problems with polynomials. Now for 29, we are just trying to determine the expression, okay? Just the expression. So you have the area, this is the area, okay? And this is the length of the rectangle. Well, we all know that area is length times width, right? So if you want to find out the width and you have the length, so A divided by L, it's equal to W, right? So that means W is simply whatever they give you for the area divided by whatever they give you for the length. And that's it. All right. We're not even asking you to find anything out or to divide it actually. No, just an expression. So this is why your reading is very important. If you don't read and don't understand the words, then you might do a whole lot for no good reason. Okay, and that's one thing I said in the past week or two. You've got to learn how to read words. They carry meanings. And that's something that I didn't know when I was a kid. Just the look. Just the look, yes. Okay. What it is, but not what the value is. You're not trying to evaluate. Okay, you're just trying to show the expression. And for number 31, well, if a cube, right? Find the volume. How do we find out the volume of a cube? It's the length times itself 3 times, right? So that means the volume is simply this. It is simply this. And how do you do it? Well, I mean, that's what it means, right? Then just go ahead and do it. You know, multiply them. That's all we can do. And I think what I hope is that nobody here is going to write down x cubed minus 4 cubed. That would be tragic. That would be really tragic. Okay. I don't want to say that someone's going to do it, but you know, when you are not understanding the meaning behind all these work, then your brain would just, you know, your brain would just go do whatever it thinks it will seem appropriate. Okay, our brain is a very simple organ. It's very cute, very simple. Oops, that's 64. Let me make sure that my multiplication, yes, the signs are right, yes. And we just go ahead and combine like terms. All right, so the signs must be careful, okay? If you have a negative between the parentheses, you know, this negative right here, make sure you distribute them. Distribute the negative into the parentheses. Minus 12x squared plus 48x, and then minus 64. Right, you combine the like terms, that's it. So what we're doing here is we just practice the concept of what a volume is, which you learned back in what, elementary school, middle school, for the volume of a cube. It's just that now we are showing the volume in a more fancy way. We're showing the length in a more fancy way. Okay.